Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Ford Mustang 429 stands as a bold statement of American muscle, blending heritage with cutting-edge technology and performance. Ford has built a legacy around the Mustang, and the 429 model carries that torch into the future with a design that reflects its racing pedigree and modern engineering advancements. This model is more than just a nod to the past, it's a celebration of raw power, aggressive styling, and refined driving dynamics that set it apart in the competitive muscle car segment. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Mustang 429, it commands attention. The design remains true to the Mustang's signature long hood, short deck proportions, but with sharper lines and more aggressive aerodynamic elements. The front end is dominated by a blacked-out honeycomb grille with the iconic galloping horse emblem at its center. The grille is flanked by slim, angular LED headlights that feature a distinctive lighting signature, giving the car a menacing and modern look. The hood features functional air vents that improve engine cooling and enhance the aggressive stance of the vehicle. The lower front bumper incorporates a prominent splitter that not only adds to the car's visual appeal but also increases downforce, improving high-speed stability. Moving along the side profile, the Mustang 429's muscular stance becomes even more evident. The flared wheel arches house massive 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. The sculpted character lines running from the front fender to the rear give the car a sense of motion even when it's standing still. Gloss black side mirrors contrast with the body color, and subtle 429 badging on the fender serves as a reminder of the car's potent powertrain. The roofline slopes gracefully towards the rear deck, creating a fastback silhouette that hints at the car's performance potential. The side skirts are subtly integrated into the bodywork, further enhancing the car's aerodynamics without adding unnecessary bulk. At the rear, the Mustang 429 stays true to the Mustang design language while incorporating modern touches. The signature tri-bar taillights are now fully LED and feature dynamic turn signals that add a sense of motion. The rear bumper is sculpted to accommodate the quad exhaust tips, which deliver a deep, throaty growl when the engine roars to life. The integrated rear diffuser enhances airflow and reduces drag, contributing to the car's overall performance. A subtle rear lip spoiler sits just above the trunk lid, providing additional downforce without compromising the clean lines of the rear design. The Mustang badge is prominently displayed on the rear deck, reinforcing the car's lineage and performance identity. Stepping inside the 2025 Mustang 429 reveals a cabin that seamlessly blends modern technology with classic muscle car cues. The driver-focused cockpit features a 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display a wide range of performance data, navigation information, and driving modes. The graphics are crisp and responsive, ensuring that the driver has all the necessary information at a glance. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather and features paddle shifters for quick gear changes. The steering wheel also incorporates controls for audio, cruise control, and driving modes, ensuring that the driver can stay focused on the road. The center console houses a 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Ford's latest Sync 4 software. The interface is intuitive and responsive, with support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The infotainment system also integrates navigation, climate control, and vehicle settings into a single, user-friendly interface. Below the screen, physical controls for climate and audio provide a tactile alternative to the touchscreen, ensuring ease of use even during spirited driving. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching and feature 429 badging on the headrests. The sport seats are heavily bolstered, providing excellent lateral support during aggressive cornering while maintaining comfort during long drives. Heated and ventilated seat options are available, adding to the overall comfort level. Materials throughout the cabin are top-notch, with soft touch surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and suede inserts. Ambient lighting with customizable color options allows the driver to create a personalized atmosphere within the cabin. The rear seats, while present, are best suited for shorter trips or smaller passengers due to the limited legroom typical of a muscle car design. The trunk space is surprisingly practical for a performance car, offering enough room for a weekend's worth of luggage or a set of golf clubs. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang 429 houses a naturally aspirated 7.0-liter V8 engine, a homage to the legendary 429 engine from the late 60s and early 70s. This powerhouse produces 600 horsepower and 560 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful production Mustangs ever built. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 10-speed automatic transmission, though purists can opt for a 6-speed manual transmission for a more connected driving experience. The acceleration is brutal, with the Mustang 429 capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to around 180 miles per hour, making it a serious contender on both the street and the track. The engine features advanced cylinder deactivation technology, which improves fuel efficiency by shutting down half of the cylinders under light load conditions. The active exhaust system allows the driver to adjust the exhaust note depending on the driving mode, from a quiet setting for neighborhood driving to a full-throated roar for track days. The suspension setup includes adaptive MagneRide dampers that adjust in real time to road conditions, providing a balanced ride that is both comfortable for daily driving and responsive enough for aggressive cornering. The rear limited slip differential ensures that power is distributed evenly to the rear wheels, maximizing traction and reducing wheel spin during hard acceleration. Brembo brakes provide exceptional stopping power, with large ventilated discs and multi-piston calipers ensuring consistent braking performance even under heavy use. Pricing for the 2025 Mustang 429 starts at approximately $65,000 for the base model. Fully loaded versions with performance and luxury packages can push the price upwards of $75,000. Optional packages include a track pack that adds upgraded brakes, high-performance tires, and enhanced cooling, and a premium package that includes additional interior features like a head-up display, a panoramic sunroof, and heated and ventilated seats. The price point positions the Mustang 429 competitively within the high-performance muscle car segment, offering a strong blend of power, technology, and heritage. While the Mustang 429 is undeniably impressive, it's not without some trade-offs. The stiff suspension, while excellent for handling, can feel harsh on rough roads, making daily driving less comfortable. Rear seat space remains limited, which is expected in a coupe of this nature. Fuel economy is another consideration, as the large displacement V8 prioritizes power over efficiency. Some interior plastics, particularly on lower surfaces, feel out of place in a car at this price point, detracting slightly from the otherwise premium cabin experience. The 2025 Ford Mustang 429 stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of the Mustang brand. It combines the raw power and aggressive styling of a classic muscle car with modern technology and refinement. The naturally aspirated V8 delivers an old-school driving experience with modern-day precision, and the handling dynamics are sharp and engaging. The exterior design strikes a perfect balance between heritage and modern aggression, while the interior provides a comfortable and technologically advanced space for both driver and passengers. If you're a muscle car enthusiast looking for a blend of heritage, power, and modern comfort, the Mustang 429 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the 2025 Mustang 429. See you next time.